take quadratic equations, which quadratic equations we know that these are in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. To factorize it or find out the roots, we take x square coefficient c, that is we multiply, take this product, then factorize it, and we get either plus or minus, we get the term b. So but numbers, if you don't have factors, how much ever you try, you don't get the factors, then how to do it? Such sums we should use the formula x is equal to minus b, that is coefficient of x plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, where b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. This is pronounced as discriminant. Now based on this b square minus 4ac, we can judge the roots. That is not we know that previous sums we got x is equal to like minus 2 3, that is one is negative, one is positive, both are not equal, and both are integers, or if you have imaginary roots, so on, we can comment upon the roots using b square minus 4ac. Now first we'll find out how to use this root formula. Example sum x square minus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to minus 10. Now roots is equal to minus of b, that is minus of minus b plus or minus root of b square, that is minus 5 whole square minus 4a, c is minus 10, wherever negative sign use brackets, 2a 1. Now here minus into minus plus 5 plus or minus root square root minus 5 whole square is 25, minus into minus plus 40 by 2, that is minus plus 5 plus or minus root 40 plus 25 65 by 2. So x has two roots, where one is 5 plus root 65 by 2, the other is x is equal to 5 minus root 65 by 2. These are the two roots of x. So you have the square root of 65 here, square root. Since we cannot simplify it, you can put it like that, or you know the method of finding out the square root, isn't it? We use generally 2 decimals, so write for 3 decimals. Now how to do the square root? 65, take 2 from decimal you take 2 this already you have learned in 8th class, but once again 8 8s are 64. 5 similar to division, subtract it 1 and get the two terms, put decimal, and this is considered as one digit, 2 zeros. Now you should put one more 8, you add this. Now 160, if you put 1 also, that will be greater than 100. Actually whatever digit you put it here, with the same digit you have to multiply. If you put 1 also, you are going to get more than 100. So you have to get one more digit down, put 0 0. Now try 16 ones are with 1601 into 1. With 5 if you try, then we can assume which to be square root. 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 8. Now this is 10,000, this is 8,000. So let me try with the 6, 36, 9. This is okay. So 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36, 9,006. So 9,636. Now subtract 4, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 6 3. Now get the two digits down, add this 1 2. So 6 1 2. Now again you have to try 364. Try with the 5. 1, 6, 1, 2, 5 with 5 again. So 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 2s are 10, 12, 1, 5 1s are 5, 6, 5 6 are 30, 3, 5 1s are 5, 80. 80 is very bigger than 36,000. So try with the 2 because very big with the same digit. 2 2s are 4, 4, 2, 6, 12, 1, 3, 32. It's so square root of 65 is 8.06 because this is lesser than 5. Put that one. 5 plus 8.06 by 2. Here 5 minus 8.06 by 2. This will become 13.06 by 2, which is equal to 653. This will be minus 3.06 by 2, 156. So this is positive value, this is negative value. To find out the square root without using factorization method, or which we cannot do actually, so using the formula directly. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0 using the formula where a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is b? Minus 6. So minus of minus 6 plus or minus root of b square minus 6 square minus 4 into 2 into c is 3. Now by 2a. Now minus into minus plus 6 plus or minus root of minus 6 square is 36. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 by 4. So plus 6 plus or minus root 36 minus 24. So 12. 4 is equal to 6 plus or minus root of 12. 12 we can write as 4 root 3 by 4. No, 6 plus or minus 4 when it comes out 2 root 3 by 4. So you can simplify actually this one. 2 is common. So 3 plus or minus root 3 by 4 we can write as 2 2. So here 3 plus or minus root 3 by 2. 2. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 2 and x is equal to 3 minus root 3 by 2. 3 plus is 1.732 by 2, that is 4.73 by 2. Simplify it to 2.365. Here 3 minus 1.732 by 2. 3 minus. Actually correct 2 decimals, no need of 2 because till 2 decimals if it's corrected enough for 10th class. So it will be to my 1.27 by 2. Simplified 0.635. So these are the roots using the formula.